kids, as you know, because of the situation of the country, we are going to have these classes online. So, welcome back to Hello Science. Today, we are not going to be learning something new, but we are going to remember all the things we have learned during the unit number 4. So, do you remember what we studied at the beginning of the unit number 4? Exactly, we studied about matter. But what is matter? Do you remember what is matter? Matter is everything that is around us. And we describe it as everything that has mass and occupies space. So I'm going to put in here. Matter has mass and it occupies space. This is something to remember. Now, but if I have in here that matter has mass, it occupies space, a question comes to my mind. What is the meaning of mass? What's the meaning of this word? If I put this word next to the other, do you think that matter is the same or is equal to mass? Of course not. We have that in here. Matter has mass, but matter is not mass. Mass is going to be the amount of matter that a body has. I'm going to write it in here, so you keep it in mind. It's the amount. What is the amount? The quantity of matter that a body has. Example, if I have in here this marker, this is matter in the solid state, right? And it has mass, has just this amount of mass. As you know, mass is measured by kilograms. If I have this is bigger, this is also matter, and it's going to have more mass, because if I put it in a scale, it's going to be a little heavier. Now, this is going to be related to the thing that we have in here, that matter has mass and the mass is the amount of matter. But related to this, what can we say? Okay, I'm gonna put volume in here. Volume is going to refer to the amount of space that a body occupies. Amount of space, remember, amount is the quantity, how much space a body occupies. This is going to be related to this. Example, if I have, again, my marker and I'm gonna put it inside my backpack, it's going to occupy space but not a lot. But if I put my book inside my backpack, it's going to occupy more space because it has more volume. Okay, so I have another question that comes to my mind. What do you think about air? Does air have mass and volume? To make an example, I have in here the balloons. 2 balloons. Let's imagine I'm a scale and I have my balloons like here, like this. If they are kind of the same size, in this case it's not, but let's suppose they are the same size, they are going to be equal. But let's suppose I have a scale here and I don't have one balloon, my scale is going to be like this. Why? Because the air that is in here has mass and occupies space in here. If I have my balloon like this, it doesn't occupy a lot of space. In here, the air is occupying a space, so that means that air is also matter because it has mass and occupies a space. Okay? Let's remember. Matter has mass, occupies a space. Mass is the amount of matter that a body has, and volume is the amount of space that a body occupies. Okay, let's see if we remember. If I clean all of these and I leave everything clear, and I put these 3 definitions right here. Number 1, I put it in here. I'm sorry, my neighbors are noisy and I cannot do anything about it. Second one, I put it in here. And the third, I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, let's match. Number 1 says, the amount of matter that a body has. Is that matter, mass, or volume? The amount of matter. Very good. That is going to be mass. Number 2, the amount of space that a body occupies. Remember, as I made the example with my backpack. Very good. That is going to be referred to. That is going to refer. Is going to be talking about the volume. And finally, of course, we know that matter, 2 things: has mass and occupies space. Okay, that's going to be everything for today's class. Tomorrow we are going to be learning something new. As a homework, I need you to complete the page number 77 in your science class that is going to be about the balloons. You don't need to do the experiment, but only to complete it. I'm going to check as soon as we go back to school. So it's not necessary for you to send me a picture. See you tomorrow in the second class.